Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the background color of a page in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change the background color of this page. Go to the design menu and click the page color option. Then choose any color in this color panel. Otherwise, you select more color and custom color in this panel. Then press OK. Now we can see we change the background color of a page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.